Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video, and here is the package I'm going to unbox for you today. And this package contains 5 items, very useful items, and it's the same item. And we will get into that in a moment, but first we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the package. Let's open this and see what's inside. Okay, it's nice and tight. Okay, I put that there over there, and here we have it. This, my friends, this is emergency trauma bandage, or more commonly known as Israeli bandage. And it's a field dressing and a tourniquet in the same bandage, which makes this so versatile. So that means you don't need a tourniquet to deal with a wound or the injury. So it's all in one. And the best thing with this bandage is that you can do it with one hand, which is really good. And the other thing is you can apply it on your stomach, on your legs, on your arms, on your chest, and on your shoulder, on your head. So that is the most versatile emergency bandages you can have. And actually, this is a 5-pack of them. And this is in a Ziploc bag. Yeah. No, yeah, it is a Ziploc bag. And I can see if I can open this and take one out. It's easier to see, right, guys? I put it there. It looks like this, vacuum sealed and sterile. So you don't need to worry, and you have instructions back here on how to use this. So that's really awesome. You cut this open here. You have the arrows here. It's this side, you open it. Yeah, it is. Oh, you have even arrows here as well, so you can open it on both ends, which is nice. It's hard to see the symbols, but you get it on how to put these on. So, but 5 of these, and I ordered these on Temu, and I got it yesterday, and I'm really happy to have these. And these go straight into my preps, actually. You never know when you need one of these, and 5 of them. I paid a little bit over 377 crowns for it. So it's around $30 something. I don't know really, but let's say $30. But anyway, these are very useful, as I said. And if you have a bleeding, you use it, and you wrap it around first that way, and then you have a little loop. You put the end in, and you pull back and go the other way and tighten it up. So that's the tourniquet part comes into it, which is really nice. And then when you come to the end, you hook it, and yeah, and it will stuck there so until you loosen it. So these are, in my opinion, very good items to have as a prepper. This is good prepper items. So if you can get your hands on these, I suggest you get a couple of them. You never know when you need these type of bandages, because they come in handy no matter what. And I heard about these a couple of years ago, that these were so versatile, and I searched and searched, and I couldn't find any. So, but now at least I found them. So I'm happy with it. I have 5 of them, and I will order a couple of more of these, to stock up on these. You never know. So this is emergency trauma bandages. So trauma wound dressing, and the size is 6-inch. Yeah, and one dressing is inside this package, and I have 5 of them. So, and it's good, nice that these are also vacuum sealed. It's really good because that keeps them protected from moist, and keep them sterile basically. So that's good, really nice. And well guys, that's all for today's video. So thank you for watching, thank you for your support, I appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. Until the next time, guys, stay safe, stay vigilant, stay prepared. God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.